Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai Japan. Today we'll show you how to turn your research into a shareable website in just 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
That's faster than finishing my coffee.
Yes, really, no coding, no complex setup. Anyone can do it. First, take a look at this. This is a web page I created using Gemini's deep researches and Gemini Canvas' new infographic feature. And I'll show you how you can make one too.
Looks super clean and no design skills needed.
Exactly. And today we are using just 3 tools: deep research, infographic feature, and Google Sites.
Simple tools, big results.
Yes, let's get started. Step 1. Request research in deep research. Start by asking deep research for the information you need. For example, let's get the information about what makes Japan attractive and some tourism stats. Deep research will gather and structure the information for you in seconds.
Nice! That could be super useful for travel agencies or even for school projects.
Yes! Step 2. Generate an infographic. Now here's the magic part. Click to generate an infographic from the results. It gives you a clean visual summary that's easy to share and understand.
Whoa, that looks really professional. And I didn't lift a finger.
Yes! Step 3. Copy the infographic code. Once your infographic is ready, simply copy the embed code. No design needed, no tool, just copy. Step 4. Create a Google site and embed. Next, go to Google Sites. Start with a blank page and give it a title like Weekly Investment News. Then paste the infographic HTML code into an embed box. And that's it! Your site now looks professional and informative.
And just like that, you've got a website.
Yes!
Impressive.
Step 5. Share your website. Finally, just hit publish, copy the link, and share it with your team, friends, or the world. And that's it. Your research is now a live website. So how was that? With deep research, the infographic feature, and Google Sites, you can go from data, design, deliver in under 5 minutes.
And the best part? Anyone can do it. No coding, no stress.
Exactly, Naruto. I absolutely recommend trying it out. So if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.